drip, drop, yeah. Let it simmer. In a cozy little kitchen, flavors start to speak. Steam rising slowly, secrets start to leak. Hands in the magic, rhythm nice and slow. Parousial spices, watch the flavors glow. Little bit of fire, little bit of sweet. Turn it up gently, feel the heat beneath. From a pinch to a pour, let the moment repeat. Welcome to the vibe of Nissy Kitchen and Trees. Drip, drip, drop, hear the flavor fall. Slow waves dancing on the kitchen wall. Spice it up, don't rush the heat. Nissy Kitchen and Trees. Drip, drip, drop, let it blend so sweet. Every taste tells you, take your seat. From the pot to the soul, can't be beat. Nissy Kitchen and Trees. Pepper in the silence, chili in the air, parsley on the rhythm, love everywhere. Stirred like a whisper, glided like a stream, cooking up a feeling softer than a dream. Golden drops falling.